guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a continuation of my apartment tour. So if you have not seen part 1, I'm going to put the link down below so you can go and check it out. So in part 1 of my apartment tour, I did the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. I didn't want to do all of them at once because I didn't want the video to be too long. So today I'll be doing both my bathrooms, and then the next one will be my bedrooms. Please be patient with me, guys. I'm doing my best to get these videos up as fast as I can. I'm doing all the purchasing, decorating, filming, and editing all by myself, so it takes a lot of time, and I also have a full-time job. I thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and watching my videos and leaving me comments down below, and also giving me ideas to shoot. I appreciate you guys so much, and I thank you. Okay guys, so I'm going to take you down this hall to the bathroom. This is the first bathroom. Okay guys, walking into the bathroom here. The theme of the bathroom is blue and white with a dash of yellow. First I'm going to go ahead and show you this built-in shelf. On the very top here I have some blue and white towels just folded nicely. And then the second shelf I have some knickknacks. This is a mason jar I got from Dollar Tree, and I just put some air freshener in it. And then this glass cup thing I also got from Dollar Tree, and I just took some petals of flowers and put them in there because it's pretty. Also over here I did the same thing. This is cotton ball, this is some marbles, and then some petals of flowers. I just did that to make it look pretty. On the third shelf I have this basket I purchased from Goodwill, and I just folded some hand towels really pretty and put them in there. On the fourth shelf I have this beautiful basket. I also got this from Goodwill, and I just put some seashells in there. Seashell. And on the very bottom shelf I have this yellow basket that I also purchased from Goodwill. The soap in here was given to me during Christmas time by my charge nurse at work. She makes them herself and they smell amazing. So I just have a whole bunch in there, and I grab them as I need them, and I have a loofah in there. So that is the shelf. Then over here is the sink area. I'll start from the light. It has that same pretty lighting style from the guest bathroom, but this time it has 4 lights, and it also has the same stainless steel mirror frame, which makes it really easy to clean. And then in that very corner I have some candles there. I don't always have my candles on, but I just wanted to make it nice and romantic, and that's why I have the candle on. So anyways, in this corner I have some paper towel in case you wash your hands and you wanted to dry it. I have some toothbrush, some Colgate toothpaste. I have an Afro pig comb. When you have hair like this, you need comb like this. I have a little flower pot here with some yellow flowers in it because, as I said before, the theme is blue, white, and yellow. I have a soap bar for you to wash your hands, and in this corner I have the everyday essentials, but I just organize it in kind of a pretty way. So in here I have some cotton balls for whatever you need to do with cotton balls. I got that tall jar from the thrift store, and then right next to it I have another jar filled up with Q-tip. Also next to it I have another jar filled up with these pad makeup things. So that is what that corner is looking like. This is the entire sink area. On the bottom, I have so much storage space. That's where I keep all my cleaning supplies, my hair stuff, and sometimes my makeup stuff. And there's a towel there for when you wash your hands. If you don't want to use the paper towel, you can use the hand towel. I personally don't like hand towels because I'm a germaphobe, and I feel like if you clean your hands with the same towel more than once, it's contaminated. So I like paper towel, but I have that there for people who do like hand towels. And then over here, this is the toilet area. I have a beautiful flower arrangement that I actually did myself. It was a DIY project. Next to that, I have two little yellow candles. And then on the bottom here, I have some folded towels. And in that corner, I have a trash can with a Kruger bag. And I have my toilet paper right above my toilet. This picture frame I got from Goodwill, and I just cut out these pictures that remind me of the beach and put them in there. Then over here I have my shower curtain. When I take baths, I like to see what's going on around me, so I have it tied like that. And then look at that tub. The tub is really big. I have my shower gels and some candles. Over here I have a towel and a back scrub thing. In that corner I have more candles. As I said before, I don't always have my candles on. I just wanted to put it on to make it romantic for you guys, because I love you guys. Right in front of the tub I have that square rug. I feel like it brings out the color and everything. If I didn't mention before, the floors in the bathroom is hardwood, just like the rest of the apartment. So right off the bathroom here, we have our laundry room. The laundry room is nothing exciting. We have our washer here, the dryer, our laundry supplies, and then right above it, I have these 3 baskets I purchased from Dollar Tree. The first one is for my whites, second one is for color, and the third one is for something I need to hand wash. And then right beneath it, I have that big laundry basket there for clean laundry that I am not ready to fold. And over here in this corner, I have a basket full of my cleaning supplies. Who doesn't have Fabuloso, right? Then I have my Windex for all the 1,000 mirrors that I have in here. And then I have a bleach spray, the Clorox spray. These are the 3 main supplies I use on a daily basis. And I always used to look for them everywhere. So I thought, let me get a basket, put all the things I always use into it. That way I don't have to waste my time looking for it. Whenever I need it, I can just come and grab it in that corner. So I'm just going to take you into the guest bathroom. It's a really small bathroom, so I didn't really do much in here. And the key here is when you have a small space, you want to keep it clean, nice and simple. Right here we have our commode with some flour on top of it, and then right next to it I have a wastebasket, and then the toilet cleaner right there. I'm not sure why I'm showing you guys that, but you wanted to see the bathroom, so there it is. And then right here I have my towel arrangement. There's 3 of them. Some people stack the towels on top of each other. I just like to be different, so I like to invent my own style, so I have them side by side. I have the toilet paper right there. Right above that flower is a little picture thing. It says bath, and then it says unwind, bubbles, soak your troubles away, fresh towels, relax. I like that. I know this should be in the actual bathroom, but I feel like it was more appropriate in here. Over here to the sink area, I have a nice scented candle there. I have my magnifying mirror. I have some hand soap I got from Bath and Body Works. And then over here I have some cotton bulb in a cute little jar thing. And then some Q-tip in another clear jar. And right beneath there's a storage space. Right above it there's a big mirror. Please excuse me for being in the frame, but that's the only way I could film this. And then right above it you have the nice little light fixture. So that is it for the guest bathroom. Nice, clean, and simple. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I do filming it for you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.